We've also got the Ceratec, which is a ceramic coating for the inside of the engine. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Jared from Lethal Performance here, aka the Mustang King. So, I was driving our Bronco the other day, our First Edition 2.7 liter, and I got the notification on the dash saying it was time for our first oil change. It just so happens that same afternoon, our rep from Liqui Moly, Jonathan, was here visiting with one of their engineers from Germany. And I said to him, hey man, why don't we put together some packages for the Bronco? I'm sure the Bronco owners out there who are ready for their first oil change or even their second oil change would be interested in having an oil change kit from Liqui Moly. So these guys went to the drawing board, looked at the factory specifications of the oil being used in a Bronco, and they sent us a whole bunch of goodies. I've got them inside. We're gonna go and take a look at it along with some other pieces from UPR, which we'll be doing. What's up, Smalls?
What's up, man?
Yo, what's up, everybody? Oh, here it is. Look at this. Some goodies from Liqui Moly. Thank you, Jonathan. You guys are awesome. So this is exactly what I was talking about, which we'll be doing for our first Bronco oil change. Now, they sent us this engine flush, which helps get all the sediment out of the engine once you flush it out. We've got some 5W30 Special Tech oil from them. We've also got the Ceratec, which is a ceramic coating for the inside of the engine. Also, helps alleviate any friction that's inside the engine. Actually, from what I've seen from Liqui Moly, this is like one of their top selling products right here, the Ceratec. Anytime I see that stuff mentioned on any of the groups or forums, guys are ranting and raving about it. So I'm excited to be actually using Liqui Moly's products for the first time, as well as this Ceratec. And here we are. We've got the two products I was talking about from UPR products. These are both magnetic drain plugs. Real nice pieces. Now, why do you use these, all right? So on the Bronco, as well as some of the EcoBoost offerings from Ford, as well as the 10 or 80 Mustang, they use a plastic plug. And the clips on them here on the factory are known to bend or break when you take it out. It's almost like a one-time use type of thing. So UPR developed these drain plugs to be used over and over and over again. And again, they've got this little magnet piece down here that'll capture any type of metal that's in your oil at the bottom of the drain plug. And we've got two different versions available. This is just their standard drain plug right here. Real nice, again, machine piece from UPR. Thank you guys. These guys are awesome, make a lot of awesome Bronco products for us. And also, this is the one that has the drain valve on it. You could actually unscrew this and drain the oil like that without even having to remove this plug. So we'll be doing the oil change on our Bronco here later on this week. We'll go a little more in-depth about each product here from Liqui Moly, as well as the UPR drain plug. So definitely stay tuned. And you guys have any questions in the meantime, make sure to comment on here. Please like and subscribe to our videos if you enjoy them. Team Lethal, Mustang King, and I'm out.